Hi guys, welcome back. Excuse my pina colada, but I was done doing a photo shoot and I was exhausted. It's time consuming, but I loved it. So this is a picture of my newborn son that I took right after he was delivered, a week after I arrived at home, and I wanted a baby picture. So it was pretty intimidating because they're so small and fragile, but as long as they eat, sleep, and have a clean diaper, it should be 100% super easy, as long as you make them feel comfortable wherever they're laying at. And fun fact guys, I used my cell phone, no special equipment needed, just my cell phone. So all I did was grabbed props that I bought from Walmart. I would say no more than $10 or $20 max, and I used what I already had at home and pull him to the nearest window. So you need a lot of lighting, and if it was like holidays and stuff, I just bought white shirts and I put their Christmas hats on and I snapped pictures. Just make sure you have a lot of lighting. So did this birthday cake smash for my 1-year-old when he turned 1, and I used this blue background and it ran all over through the floor, so even if he made a mess or it was messy, I would just wrap it all in a bunch and toss it out. The tassels, I bought it from Walmart. I believe it was $2 to $3. Balloons were $1. Cake stand, I already had it. The shirt was probably $5. So I'm saying, you don't have to spend a lot. Use what you already have at home. And the background, I bought it from a teacher's supply thing at Louisville location. I forgot the name of it. I just know how to get there. But point is that you don't have to spend a lot of money and you could create it in the comfort of your own home. And I used my cell phone, so you don't need special equipments. If you could take, you just need the perfect lighting, whether it's natural lighting is the best. But if you don't have a lot of lighting, then bring on all the freaking light that you have from your rooms, all the lamps, every light that you can get to get your picture bright and look like a picture, then it's good. I did this in the nighttime so you could see his shadow, but I didn't mind it. If you mind it, do it during the daytime. I did it during the nighttime because I did this the day before his birthday, so I wanted it to upload on his birthday day on my social media. So use what you have at home, and if not, don't splurge on many things. Just buy some little tassels, neutral color and a neutral color palette, and reuse it again. So I did this picture. The blanket was a gift for my husband's co-worker. Beautiful. And I used the baby blanket that I was given for his baby shower. So I wrapped him, he was fed, he had teta, he had a clean diaper, and he knocked out. So I put my baby, wrapped him up real good, like if I was hugging him, super tight, laid him on the floor. But I made sure I put something underneath so it wouldn't just be the floor. Although it's carpet, I just didn't want it to be on the floor. And I told my kids, okay, I want a picture, pretend that you're kissing him or something. So you just have to be creative with your pictures. So that's the snap that I got, and this is from my phone, guys, and all the editing I did it from my phone. So I just tried to match them as closely as possible to the color palette that I wanted to be in the picture, and I snapped it. Like Valentine's Day, I took this snap. Let's say that you have a purple wall, green wall, yellow wall, whatever color wall you have, or a rainbow wall. That paper background, I got it Louisville that I'm talking about. I got it, and it looks like it's my fucking wall, even though it's not my wall that color. But behind the scenes, it was a kitchen countertop behind it, but it looks like it's a wall. And the little trim on the end, I also bought that from Home Depot, and it looks like it's part of the wall. The flooring, guys, the flooring. I have carpet. In apartments, you have carpet. If you're lucky, you have wood flooring. I do not have wood flooring, so I bought me a pack. I think it was $30, but I saw it as an investment. Yes, it's $30, but you could use it as much as possible, especially for your newborn pictures. So I used it here for my toddlers, my 2 big children, as you saw, and it looks like it's mine, is in my home. Although these are not like put together well because they kept stepping on it, I kept moving them around. But if you don't want them to move around, you just have to be handy and stick them all together with some wood in the back. And if you would like to see more in depth in how I do these videos and want me to make a video on how I do it with the kids, then do let me know in the comments down below, and I would be happily to do so. I love capturing moments for my kids. Like, who doesn't? I know I love to capture moments, holidays, anything that I could have in an album or picture portrait in my wall. So do let me know in the comments down below if you want to see a video and more in depth how I do it and the process, how I do it behind the scenes with my phone from start to finish. I will happily do so, record everything. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see it. I will make that video for you guys. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.